Welcome to Research Rocks. It's me Sangram, and today's video we will see detailed demonstration how to use Final Pro Cut in your Mac operating system. If you want make your own YouTube channel or create Instagram reels or videos using Final Pro Cut, so how to do it? It's very simple process. I will provide you like a recorded video. I put it there and I put it there like a title, crop this video particular portion, and how I add new song in this particular voice under the voice, and what is the outcome of after how I export the entire video. So in this video we will see detailed demonstration like a zero to hero in Final Pro Cut. So let's check it out now. Laptop screen. So here is my Final Pro Cut. After installing such kind of framework is display here in your laptop screen. So simply you project and you put it here, new project name whatever you want, simply I hello, and I put it here pre-recorded video like this. Here is my pre-recorded video in first of all time. You just simply play this pre-recorded video. Welcome to Research Rocks. It's me. Welcome to Research Rocks. So I retake many times, so you just simply crop here, Control B, pressing the Control B, and then click here, otherwise press B and such kind of scissor are come here, and press A after arrow is coming. You just simply delete. You want large this size, you select the film here and just simply put it here, bigger screen, and the screen, the frame are stretchable like this. Again big screen, now is perfect. Now we can play here. Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more product unboxing, and that product name is a rechargeable battery Hero 9 Black. So here some of the pause, so I just crop here again, Control B, and then select the portion and delete. I have GoPro Hero 9, so I just buy new battery for the recording. Again remove the pauses here, large amount of time, that's why I'm purchasing this one. And why I'm purchasing only GoPro, again here you can remove the pauses. Earliest I purchased the Telson battery, and the battery is very rubbish. Don't buy the Telson brand batteries, because of I buy this compact pack, 3 batteries and this chargeable socket around 8000 INR, or again remove the pauses, 8000 INR or around $100. But remaining 2 batteries within a 6 months, they are not rechargeable, they just garbage value. I have just only one remaining battery, and this one is just only half an hour record the video, and then it's waste of money. Again you can select this one and do same also, and waste of energy. So always buy branded batteries, like in a GoPro introduce own batteries. So that point of view I buy this single battery like this. Again I repeat same sentence twice. So that point of view I buy this single battery. Like remove this one and again play. That point of I buy the single battery, and I have original one more in my GoPro like this. Here some here, like here, and you can more another, because of I want to record much more videos of traveling and personal vlogging. So much, like here also pause, I simply remove. So much expensive. So we will see inside the box. And now I am recording one more frame, so I added here remaining of my frame like this. So I just select here and drag and drop in this particular portion where exactly I cutted this one. Now I change my camera frame out here. Now just I remove this one. So now this is an unboxing, so I just simply cut it. Unboxing is starting here. Again here I change my frame, so I delete. Now perfect. If you comfortable, or if you have own experience about your sentence is perfect, so you can, it is very fast also. So here 2 sentences are come like this inside the GoPro. So I delete first one, and you can increase the size also, selecting like this. You can select like this, but not so this yellow portion means your voice is so loud. So this battery is a count like this, but you always without yellow. Prefer. So now here sentence is not produced properly.
I charge first up, not more than that. So I recharge. I charge first of all, and
like
then
this.
I using the screen. So I have already the extent. So I have very much entire.
So here this portion is not required for my point of view, so I delete simply. And here my end of the portion of the video I recorded firstly. If you really like this video unboxing and little bit information of battery Hero 9 GoPro, so please subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming notification regarding tech videos and unboxing of new product. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Like this portion is completed, so I delete remaining. So my entire video is ready now. So now we can add some of the text and title. So here always I use here cards, and then I put it here. Research rocks. So like my frame like this, you can click here twice. So here description is generated, so I put it here research, and again click here name. So here name is come rocks. Otherwise you can click here in the text section, so you can very easily receive the entire text related information. So look at this here, simple output. In this video we will like this. And now if you have some subscriber button, so I have already some of the subscriber button, but you can use those portion what exactly I am doing here. So like this. So I just, if you want, you can small size selecting this portion. How you select, like using this one, this portion, you can fix out where exactly you want. So again I copy this one, put it here, again select and change the location simply like this. So my portion is done. Now how to add one song here, it's very simple. So I always use one of the song, so accordingly I will fix out here, and then I put it here like this. And the song's audio is very loud, so I click here, and here volume options are available. So look at this, the volume. So I always prefer this volume is 30%. It means a rechargeable battery. So background voice you can see, or look it out here, background voice. I have GoPro Hero 9, so I just buy new brand batteries because of I buy this compact bag, 3 battery around this. So audience also not so bored during your presentation. The audience are not happy about your communication, so they can, if you really divert the work using such kind of audio song, you can add some audio song and divert the audience focus like this. And it's very simple. Now how to export, here export options are available. You just simply click here, export master file and the particular video, and then simply export. And I export here, save, and wait couple of seconds, depend upon your processor and operating system speed. So look at this, my video is done, so I can play here simply. Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more product unboxing, and that product is like simply here subscribe button also coming here. Look at this, and it's very simple. Now I just simply open my YouTube, create here, upload this particular video, this location, and that's it. You can do same process, edit video and upload YouTube. Hope you like this video. So before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.